It was yet another day of legal tussling at the prison's commission of inquiry as lawyers took on each other while they cross-examined the survivor of the inferno that left 17 remand prisoners dead. Taking the stand on Friday at the Prison Unrest Commission of Inquiry was prisoner Owen Belfield, who during cross-examination practically destroyed the previous testimony of some of his fellow inmates by telling the tribunal that he saw cell phones and marijuana within his division where the fire broke out.
Have you ever posed for any pictures with Collis Collison while you were in jail?
Yes, sir.
Right. And who took the picture that you were posing with, the various pictures that you were posing with Collis Collison and the rest of them?
Sure, I think it was Paddy, sir.
Paddy took the picture?
Yes, sir.
And with what device did he take that picture?
Sir, a phone, sir.
He took it with a cell phone camera picture.
Yes, sir.
And do you know where that picture ended up?
No, sir.
Right, well, it's on Facebook. You did pose for pictures within capital A.
So it's just one time, sir.
Or it's just on one occasion.
Yes, sir.
And having said that, you would agree that cell phones were in capital A.
Yes, sir.
And you would agree as well that marijuana was in capital A.
Yes, sir.
Belfield also attempted to deny the prison authorities' claim that prisoners prevented their own rescue by barricading themselves in the Capital A division on that fateful day.
Fire drills were conducted only the week before the major fire at the prison. I think you heard one inmate testified that he saw during the fire drills prison officers carrying out inmates on their backs. Mr. Ram, evidence isn't accurate. We will call evidence of a full joint service operation 1 week prior to the fire at the prison that fire drills were conducted. And we heard that evidence from an inmate. And I cross-examined him on whether or not the inmates were involved in the fire drill, whether or not they were shown where to move. I mean, sometimes people make comments, and they make comments that are reckless.
Responding to questions from attorney Dexter Todd, Belfield testified that no glass bottles were ever allowed in the division, since only plastic containers would be allowed to enter the division by the prison wardens.
In terms of the legal tussle that you had back and forth with Mr. Peters, what was that about?
We have requested information, which I am now told the Commission itself requested. The information is largely requested of a party that is subject to this investigation. And that party, the prison service, is selectively releasing information, and that information is being used as hypotheses for questions asked of the witness. So again, we come back to the issue of fairness.
Like other inmates, his testimony mirrored accounts of being in the engulfed division while it was on fire for over 1 hour before the door was finally opened and they were allowed to leave the building.
In many ways, this is more significant in terms of lives lost than many of the issues that are addressed in a court of law. This is 17 people who lost their lives. And we cannot treat this and dismiss this, oh, this is just a commission of inquiry and we have to relax the rules, because then you could undermine the concept of fairness.
Mondale Smith, HGP Nightly News.